Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Let's check your observation skill and knowledge of flags. We've got 10 fresh and exciting odd one out puzzles with 10 guess the flag quizzes for you. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's go.
Puzzle 1.
First, you need to guess this flag. It's Canada flag. Can you spot the odd flag? Good job, you did it.
Puzzle 2.
Do you know this flag? It's France. Can you spot the odd flag? Yes, this is the odd France flag.
Puzzle 3.
Try to guess this flag. It's India. Try to find the different flag. Well done, you found it.
Puzzle 4.
Do you know this flag? It's flag of Brazil. Which of these flags is different? This is the odd Brazil flag.
Puzzle 5.
First, you need to guess this flag. Australia. Can you spot the odd flag?
Puzzle 6.
Can you guess this flag? Argentina. Try to find the different flag. Good job, you did it.
Puzzle 7.
Do you know this flag? It's Algeria. Can you spot the odd flag? Good job, you did it.
Puzzle 8.
Do you know this flag? South Korea. Try to find the different flag.
Puzzle 9.
Try to guess this flag. It's Saudi Arabia. Try to find the different flag. Yes, this is the odd Saudi Arabia flag.
Puzzle 10.
Do you know this flag? It's Bahamas. Can you spot the odd flag? Good job, you did it. Comment your score and follow us for more.